In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the automatic relisting option on eBay. If you frequently sell items on eBay, you might have encountered situations where your unsold items were automatically relisted. While this feature can be convenient for ensuring continuous exposure of your listings, it may not always align with your sales strategy or inventory management needs. So, let's walk through how you can toggle this setting off to take back control of your listings. To start, you'll need to head over to ebay.com and log into your account. This is the foundation of managing your eBay business, so make sure you have your username and password at the ready. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the page where you'll see the navigation bar. Here, you'll want to click on Sell. This is your main hub for managing listings and drafts. Within the Sell section, look for the Listings tab. It's usually the primary area for overseeing all your active and draft listings. Here you have two options. You can either click on Create Listing or navigate directly to drafts if you're working on updating a listing that hasn't been published yet. Essentially, drafts is a great place to manage listings that are still a work in progress. Now let's say you have a listing draft you want to update. Go ahead and choose that particular listing. Click on Resume Draft to open up the editing mode for your selected item. This is where you have the opportunity to refine all aspects of the listing before it's presented to your potential buyers. Next, scroll down to the pricing section of your draft. This section is crucial because it determines how your item will be marketed in terms of cost. If your current format is not set to auction, you'll need to switch over to this format first for the next steps to apply. Once you're set to auction, click on See Pricing Options. This is where you can fine-tune various pricing settings, including the automatic relisting feature. Finally, locate the auto relist option in the pricing options. You should see a toggle button associated with it. By default, it might be turned on to automatically relist your item if it doesn't sell. To disable this, simply toggle the switch to the off position. This change means that should your item not sell by the end of the auction, it won't automatically be relisted, granting you the flexibility to decide manually when and how you want to relist the item. And there you have it. You've now successfully turned off the automatic relisting feature for your eBay auction listings. This simple adjustment gives you the power to strategically manage your listings based on current market trends and your personal selling goals. With these steps, you can ensure that your inventory management aligns perfectly with your sales approach. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on eBay.